I don't like that guard.
I know, but you know what? On these discs,
Yeah. All right, so basically there's that catch basin that's under that rail, and that rail is for a garbage compactor. And obviously when they installed it, they put it right over top of the catch basin. So this is what we have to do, and then it's up to them to fix it when we're all done. There's one thing I like about it, eh? How it shuts off so quick.
Dying. The rest gotta be done with it's soft bolts, not that.
Yeah.
So you cut it on bolts?
I'm gonna see if I can get a new blade. What's that?
This battery goes on that one?
No.
Oh.
That's what I mean. It's only at 12 volts.
You want me to try with that one?
You got another one?
No, I don't have my but I have my bank there.
What's that? The longer one I don't have. I can get you a new one.
Let's try.
Try a new one?
Let's see.
Here, use that to kneel on. I gotta get the 18 volts. That's how thick is that?
There's no logo, it's not that.
No, like how wide? Is that 3 inch?
Gotta be probably just the same
Yeah,
as.
it gotta be. There's no noble nearby.
By Winston Churchill and up by the 4.
You gotta get along the gate.
What are you talking about?
The torch one, the big one.
You got it like a Home Depot or Lowe's?
You know what?
You're in between two of them.
What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna run to Depot. I'm gonna just grab a 18 volts. So I got lots of batteries, and I'll grab some longer blades.
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna be here?
Yeah.
That's why I don't like that guard.
Oh.
It's a weird one.
But it still has this one though.
Yeah.
You don't need this.
I don't know what it's for.
Oh man, that's in the way. I put a longer plate. I put a longer plate. I hope the batteries got on light.
Oh, you got the grinder there, right? I got more batteries. How much is left on that one?
Oh, this one's good. That one I killed it. Because I managed to cut.
Which one?
I don't know. Try one.
That one's for thick metal.
Let's try this one. If it works, if it doesn't work.
You know what? I like that. Those other ones are fucking the twisting. Oh.
put it in buckets.
I was wondering what you're doing. Just let me go with it.
And it takes that bowl. Question for this.
We'll see.
Look at that's hot.
Perfect.
That's hot. Not sure.
Trying to.
No, it's
You know, we can put that one back there and then put a
no,
board
no,
just
no,
to.
he doesn't want it there.
Oh.
You done with the grinder?
Yeah.
That'll lift up.
Oh yeah.
When you put that piece?
Up there, that's where he
Yeah,
wants.
yeah, a little bit there.
That's where he told me to put it.
Well,
Well,
did you ask the guy for money if you're gonna be on TikTok?
Yeah.
Gonna be rich to him.
hey,
Up the omelets.
You guys had a nice hook the last time you were here. It was like a crowbar you had.
Yeah, some of the trucks have those.
shit. Shit.
See, I thought I was being smart. I threw it up there. I'm like, they'll never know.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Oh, here.
Holy
That's not really deep though, eh? Not that.
No, it looks like that's
No.
clear. But hey,
It's the bell there.
got a condom in there.
It looks like it.
Somebody's been
Yeah,
having
yeah.
fun behind
Yeah,
the
yeah,
garbage.
yeah.
It's like,
Are you live?
not live. I gotta edit it all.
Oh.
It's like, who? I just don't understand. It's like, how does? It's like you got nowhere else to fuck.
Yeah.
It's like you go
But
by
the
the
thing is that
garbage.
the chute goes to here. How did that fucking condom get it to there?
Probably
fuck
went
behind
beside it and then the rain and
Unless
whatnot.
it came through down, because that one's linked to this. The one where you got your truck parked
Oh yeah.
is linked to this one.
What?
This one here and the grate that your truck is over,
Yeah.
they're linked together.
That I'm gonna take it. I'll take it. I just thought I was being smart. I'm like, you know what? It'll stay up there once they dump the garbage. And it's like,
Oh, we put it by the machine inside there.
I take it to the
See?
you sure? So this is a new rail, I guess, that they just put in. The other one was all rusted, so that's how it was able to be cleaned before, I guess. So now they're gonna vacuum this out and then maybe use the flusher to clean it up a bit. Can't believe that. Look at that condom right there. You got no better place to go have sex other than right here. problem is, right, the drain is basically right on the bottom. So even if this was to get really bad, it's just gonna get pushed into that pit inside. But it's such a process to get it cleaned out because you gotta get the bin moved and everything like that. How often does the bin get changed?
Once a week.
Once a week?
It's not the bin causing it.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying if I was curious to know how often it gets cleaned out, gets moved, then we can always set it up a day that you guys are moving it so we can come in and do it, right?
I just find out that now every 6 months I'm gonna go to do it.
That wouldn't be a bad idea.
No, I don't care. Because I don't know these things. I just came September here.
Oh, really?
I'm finding new things every day. So it's a new experience.
That's it.
That's all. There's nothing I can do.
So you say you own this one? You own other ones as well? No, just this one?
I used to be in Bradley.
Okay.
It was a football.
Oh yeah?
Older building than this.
Oh really?
This story. This location. I'm not an English. What the fuck is going on here? He told me that the drainage got to get empty or what the fuck. I don't do that.
They don't tell you when you come in.
And then they're like, it's your responsibility. I know the mall, times I know it's not mine. It's coming from outside my building. So they said, oh, it's ours. So they will take care of it.
Oh yeah?
Rob said we had to put this in